Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you? I hope you're all well. It's a beautiful cold morning, so I've decided to do something healthy and I've come in my local park. I'm going around the park today and let's see how long it takes me and what impact it has on my health as well. So I've made this inshallah, I'm going to make this routine where every day I do one round around the park, and it's a big park, and when I say big, it's quite big. It could take me up to half an hour to 45 minutes just to go around the park once. So inshallah, when I get used to this, I'm going to keep you updated and see how long it takes me as well. And as I go, I will show you my beautiful park as well. Look at this, it's all green and beautiful. The sun's come out, but it's very cold. It's about 2 degrees over here in UK, especially where I am living. It's about 2 degrees today. And look at this, although the sun's out, it's really cold, honestly. And this is a statue. So this is very local to me, and over here we usually have loads of pigeons, and people come and feed ducks and pigeons as well. As I go, I'm gonna show you. This is all ice. Oh my god, look at this baby. So as you can see, there's a young lady over here who's doing a bit of jogging. We've got a crow over here, look. I think he's doing his morning walks as well. Look at this beautiful view. I love nature. So usually these trees are filled with beautiful green leaves, but unfortunately there's no leaves now. So this is a very famous park. People come over here and they do their walks. And that building that you actually can see, we have quite a lot of activities in there for children, adults, and there's a shop in there as well. That's a play area. As I get closer, I will show you the swing slides and everything. This is the play area. As you can see, there's ropes there, slides there, you can climb. Honestly, the breeze is so cool and it's so beautiful. Oh, I've got another friend over here, another crow over here. Look at these leaves. Wow. So a lot of different colours, yellow, brown, orange, pale orange. And we've got a squirrel over here somewhere, look. Oh, look at that. I think it's doing his business and it's actually looking at me. It's probably gonna, yeah, it's got up the tree. Can you see it here? There. Oh wow. And it's gone. So we have some benches over here. That's the road that goes to a different town. We also have so boats over here as well. Look at that, that's so beautiful. When it's summer, we come over here, we get some tickets and we have boats over here. And this is where we're going to look at these beautiful ducks. Wow, look at them. Oh, they're enjoying their little swim. And they're actually almost in a line. They're in a line as well. They're in a line as well. how beautiful. It's so calming, honestly. It's so beautiful. Look at the beauty of this. Look at that. I'm going to show you everything that I can show you. It's all green. It's all beautiful. Looks like these branches are actually asleep. They look so beautiful, look, with all the leaves on top of them. Look at this. That's the beauty of nature. I'm going to show you this. Look at the size and look at the shape of these beautiful little trees. And this is another entrance that you can actually come. So this is the other side of where we actually started walking, and this entrance you can come in as well. It depends where you want to start, which entrance you want to start. It's completely up to you. There. There's benches there, there's bins there as well. Look at this. So this gentleman that is actually sat in here, he was the owner of this park, as you can see there. And let's see if we get closer. Let's see what he actually says over here. There we are. So it clearly says who's the founder of this model village, Saltaire. There we are. We've got some pigeons over here. The most relaxing and beautiful view that I've actually found is this. Look at that. See that? That's so relaxing and beautiful. If I take you a bit closer, wow, see? And it's all underground. This water actually goes right underground into that water where the ducks were. And people bring their dogs as well. So we've got a dog over there as well. I love this view. Just look at that. Look at these leaves falling. Look at this, how beautiful is that? They've all flown away. All pigeons over here. That's on the other side. That's where we were when I showed you earlier. It's a quite big one actually. So we've got pigeons over here, got ducks over here. That's it. Here we go. Wow. Oh, that's having a little bath. Wow, they're not scared at all. They're actually quite close to me. I think this pigeon, it's got something wrong with its eye. I've just noticed. It's not actually turning towards this side. It's beautiful. They're all having a morning bath in it. Oh, this is a quite big one. Look at that.
Oh my god, you see him?
Look at them. Look. Oh, I'm loving this. It's proper enjoying it. So this is another beautiful view over here. There's some benches over here and it looks like a tree trunk. Don't know what it is. So look at this, there's quite a lot of information. So there's another water stream going around here. As you can see, it all meets up together. I can hear a waterfall over here as well, but just don't know where it's coming from. Oh, there it is. I'll show you. So no dogs are allowed in this area. And there's always somebody over there who actually maintains the park over here. So we've got a van over here that actually maintains all this. Look at this tree, how massive it is. So that's the one that we were talking about. Yeah, the cleaning, taking all the leaves away. So the park is nice and clean for everybody. Picking all the rubbish. And as you can see over here. And that's, I've cleaned all that up. And this. I'm just going to take you around over here. Let's see where it takes us. Alright, okay. Should be a bit around here. Yes. Alright, okay. There usually be some water over here as well, but there's no water over here. So it goes under here, and it comes out from there. And let's look at that. That's pretty itself. You can sit down in summer over here. Wow. Look at all that. So beautiful and relaxing. Honestly. So many different things in here. Beautiful colours. So I'm walking over the other bridge. It's like a little bridge over here. Oh, got another squirrel over there. It's a bit lost, thinking what to do next. I'm sure this is a blackbird because it's got an orange beak. Look at all that. Oh wow, look at this. And this is so gorgeous. I mean, if you look at these leaves, gentleman over there was getting all the leaves together. You can see you've got a crow there as well. And it's got all the leaves together there. That's the beautiful view. I'm loving this. It's so close to me and I don't get time to come and do these little walks, but health comes first. And the breeze is so beautiful. Also, like I mentioned, I don't usually come, but health comes first. So inshallah, with all being well, I'm going to make a routine that I come every day over here for at least half an hour. And this is where people can come and play tennis, I think volleyball or whatever. You can bring your car in as well. That links to a road. I'm almost there where I started. So that's another view from this side. So this is like a little office there, and there's a lot more over here as well. There. This is a place where I actually said there's a, you know, people do activities over here. You have loads of activities for the kids and stuff. You've got some benches, a place where you can sit and eat and relax. That's the flag over there, and it's quite a beautiful place. So now I'm almost there. I'm near, not almost, but I'm actually there where I started the walk. I started just further up, just after that bin. And I'll just show you this place. This is the one I was saying, yeah. And in summer there's loads of flowers, and it's such a beautiful place to be, and it's such a beautiful vibe as well. On the other side of that, where that big tree is, there's a waterfall and stuff there. Inshallah next time I will show you that. So I hope you enjoyed this video, just a little tour into my local park. Please do like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to share the video as well. Please do make sure that you watch the full video, and until next time, it's Khuda Hafiz and goodbye.